Alright, ladies and gentlemen, motor and tranny is in. Hell yeah. Hold this. Back it up. Some not even there. There's the jar. There. Okay, now put one bowl in the hot. Bang your finger. Dad. It's all right. So. Alright, me and my dad, we got the transmission all bolted up. It's a lot easier this time. I actually made a mistake, and I thought I heard the torque converter click in 3 times. I swore up and down I heard it click 3 times on my old training, and needless to say, I ended up cracking the bell housing because the converter was not allowing to butt up. So that being said, make sure you know for a fact that your converter it goes in 3 times. It'll go in once. You spin it around, kind of shimmy it, and then you might have to keep on spinning a little bit. But once you'll feel it go in, click, spin it some more, and it'll click in again. Make sure it does it 3 times. It'll save you. Now I'm getting ready to put some Loctite down. Getting ready to do the converter bolts. This transmission here is a TCI Super Street Fighter training. It is a turbo 350 trans. Got it off of a buddy. So anyway, this training has like 20 passes, 30 passes. So he went with a Power Glide in his truck. So this tranny was sitting and everything else. This had some casting problems that he thought might have been a crack when he bought it, and so that's why this is all like this. But needless to say, it's all good. I actually have this color. My tranny is painted the same color, and I can't find it because I was going to throw some color back on it. But anyway, so that being said, tranny is bolted. I am going to, this will be set in the truck. And yeah, so that being said, I got the flywheel bolts and some Loctite. I always use Loctite. Then end up might be out of Loctite. Oh, no, there it is. So get it all going. My camera person ain't here right now. She decided to go outside. So, that being said, I'm the one out here trying to do all of this. And video and trying to work. And it's fun. Alright, motor and tranny's in now. Didn't want to show the video on that because a little time consuming and everything else, but motor and tranny's in. Got the cross member up in there. Dry shaft's in. The motor mounts are all bolted. Yeah, so anyway, which you could sit there and see that I got a fogger intake, I got a plate system. Alright, still got some stuff to do. I mean, it's induction solution fogger kit. They yeah, good people. They help out a lot, and they help me out a lot. Got trash cans for my plate system, and so you can sit there and you can see I'm going to be running 2 kits. So yep, and hopefully this stock 327 will hold up to 2 kits. I mean, I'm only going to be spraying 50 shot on the plate system, and then maybe 25 to 50 on the fogger. So I mean, I don't want to blow this factory block 327 up, so I don't want to blow it up. Oh, and my heads, my cylinder heads, those are cast iron heads. I just used some aluminum spray paint, and man, they do wonders. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video of the build and everything else. All I gotta say is motor and training, it's in, it's setting in. So like and subscribe and share, I surely do appreciate it. Thank you.